Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, we are discussing about the chapter sets. So in this class, we will see next concept, Venn diagrams. So then, what are Venn diagrams? Most of the relationship between sets can be represented by means of diagrams. Most of the relationship between sets can be represented by means of diagrams. Those diagrams are known as Venn diagrams. So how diagrams we are going to do? Venn diagrams and create. So this name Venn diagram came after the English mathematician. This name Venn diagrams came after the English logician John Venn. So he is the person who gives the idea about Venn diagrams. He is the person who represented relations of sets in diagrams. So that's why. So these diagrams are called as Venn diagrams. Okay. These diagrams consist of rectangles and closed curves. Usually circles. So the diagrams now represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we will use rectangles and circles. Okay. These rectangles are represents the universal set. So the universal sets are represented by rectangles. So usually universal set represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ rectangles ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Next one, these circles are used to represent the subsets of the universal set. Universal set is the subset na represent ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು circles ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Circles are used to represent the subsets of the universal set. So universal set the subset na represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ circles ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. For example, this rectangle is used to represent universal set, and circles are used to represent the subsets of the universal set. Okay, so this is the diagram. Next example, draw the Venn diagrams for the following. So first one, u equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 10, and set a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ಇದೆ. Okay. So this is the universal set. It contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last element is 10, and a contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this set is the subset of this universal set. So A is the subset of universal set, because all the elements of set A are also the element of set U. Okay, so 2 is there, 4 is there, 6, 8, 10. So usually the universal sets are represented by rectangles. Then subset of the universal set are represented by circles. So that subset is A. So this is universal set. So first again, subset elements So write the elements of this set A. Set A 2, 6, 8 and 10. So these are the elements of set A. Set A nallu elements circle barkondiದೆ. Set U ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ elements 1 2 already barkondiದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, so this is the element belongs to A as well as U because A is the subset of universal set. ಈ universal set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ A. So 1 ಇದೆ already 2 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Next 3 4 ಇದೆ already 5 6 ಇದೆ 7 8 9 10. So this is the representation of this example. So example na hinge ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Universal set ಬಂದ್ರೆ that universal set is represented by rectangles. Subset of universal set are represented by usually circles. Is it clear? So subset na circle na denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, universal set na rectangles. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ elements ಅನ್ನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next example. Universal set ಏನಿದೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So set A equals to 2 4 6 8 10 and set B is 4 6. First of all, this A is the subset of this Q. Always very solution. A is subset of Q. And what about B? B is also subset of U and B is subset of A also. B ಏನು subset ಹೌದು ಹೌದಾ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 4 6 6 all the elements of B are also the elements of set A and B is subset of set A. Then how will we represent this example in Venn diagrams? Firstly, universal set is represented by rectangles. So universal set subset ಯಾವುದು? Next to set A. Set A is the subset of universal set. B ಏನಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ A ಗೆ ಇದು subset. This is set A and B is subset of A. Correct? So universal set. So it is subset to A is subset to B. First write down the elements of B. First ಗೆ ಇದರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Set B ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು? 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 6. Okay, next ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ A ಇದೆ. So A ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ? 2 4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. A ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು B. Okay, 4 6 ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 8 then 10. Then what are the remaining elements in U? Already U ಇದೆ A ಮತ್ತು B. Remaining elements ಏನು ನೋಡಿ? U ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 already ಇದೆ 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is how we represent the universal set and subsets of the universal set. So ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾವು Venn diagrams ಅಲ್ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Is it clear? Note down these examples. Next, operations on sets. In that first one, union of sets. Okay, consider two sets A and B. Consider two sets A and B. Union of A and B is also a set. Union of A and B is also a set which is consists of all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. Union of A and B is all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. And the common elements of A and B taken at one time. A ಮತ್ತು B ನಲ್ಲಿ common elements ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು one time ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. The union is denoted by this symbol. So A union B is written as A union B is written as A union B. Okay. So what is union of two sets? Union of two sets is a set which consists of all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B, and we write the common elements belongs to both A and B only one time. Okay? Example, if set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Find A union B. Find A union B. So we have to find A union B. Solution: A union B equals to, so first write down what is set A. So what is set A? Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the operation? Union. Union. And what is set B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this equals to. So what is the definition of union? Union of two sets is a set which contains all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B, and we write common elements at one time, and we take common elements taken and common elements belongs to both set A and B taken only one time. Okay. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So all the elements of set A. Next 2 ಇದೆ already ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Equals to, so what is union? So it consists of all the elements of set A and set B, and we will write common elements only one time. So write down all the elements of set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Set B elements ನೋಡಿ. 2 already ಇದೆ. 4 yes, 6 ಇದೆ. Next 8, 10. So this is the union of A and B. Clear ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? So this is the union of A and B. Clear ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Firstly, we write all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B, and we write common elements at one time. So 2, 4, 6 in the common element. So we have written only one time. One time already roster form ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, we do not repeat the same elements. ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. Okay, this is the A union B. Is it clear? Note down. Next definition for the union of sets. So what is the definition? We will see here. The union of two sets A and B is the set A union B. Union of two sets A and B is given by this symbol A union B. Okay, which consists of all those elements which are either in set A or in set B. So this set A union B is consists of all those elements which are either in set A or in set B. The common elements being taken only once. Okay. So union and definition what is the union of two sets. This set consists of all those elements which are either in set A or in set B. Then common elements are being taken only once. So symbolically, the definition of union of two sets is written as A union B equals to it containing element X, such that this X either may belongs to set A or set B. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಈ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. So A union B equals to it containing elements X such that this element may belong to set A or set B. So this is the Venn diagram for A union B. Venn diagram for A union B. So this is the universal set represented by rectangle. Then subsets of universal set are represented by circles. So these are the two sets. Subsets of universal set are set A, set B. So ಇದೇನು ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು A union B ರೀಸನ್ ಇದು. ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ A union B. ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮದು A union B. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ common elements for both A and B. We'll see one example of this. Let A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. Find A union B. Find A union B. First thing, solution. A union B equals to what is set A? First write on that 2, 4, 6, 8. Next operation is union. Union. Set B 6, 8, 10, 12. Write down A union B equals to first write down all the elements of set A 2, 4, 6, 8. Next set B note 6 already there, 8 already there. Next 10, 12. Once again further elements matte bareyavagilla. Don't repeat the elements. Okay. So this is A union B. So draw the Venn diagram for this. Venn diagram draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ಕೆ Venn diagram universal set ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. universal set set A, set B, set A, set B. First write down the common elements. So everybody common element is there. 6, 8, 6, 8. Write down here 6, 8. Then what are the remaining elements of set A? 2, 4. 2, 4. 6 8 already there. So here 6 8 will baratte. 6 8 common for both A and B. Next set B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 6 8 already ಆಗಿದೆ. 10, 12. So this is the reason of A union B. So ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು A union B. Shaded reason is the A union B. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ elements ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So this is how we represent A union B using Venn diagrams. Clear ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Note down. Next some properties of the operations of union. First one, commutative law. First one, commutative law. A union B is also equals to B union A. Clear? First one, commutative law. A union B equals to B union A. Obviously, first two. We'll check what you know. Okay, take any two sets. First find A union B, then find A union B. Okay. Next one, associative law. Associative law. Bracket of A union B union C equals to A union bracket of B union C. So this is the associative law. So this property is also holds good for union of sets. Bracket of A union B union C is also equals to A union bracket of B union C. Okay. Third one, law of identity. Law of identity. A union empty set equals to N. A union empty set equals to A. Already we know that. In addition, what is the identity element? 0 is the identity element. 1 plus 0 equals what? 1 only. For multiplication, 1 is the multiplicative identity. You can multiply any number to 1, you will get the same number. For example, 2 into 1 is again 2. Similarly, 5 into 1 equals to 5. So here 1 is called the multiplicative identity and 0 is called the additive identity. So here in sets, null set is called the identity element. The null set is a law of identity element. Okay, A union null set. Again you get same set A. Okay. Fourth one, idempotent law. Idempotent law means A union A is again what? Set A only. Same set is union ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So common elements ನಾವು one time ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Again you will get set A only. Okay, A union A equals to A. Then last one, law of inverse. Law of inverse set is U union A equals to U only. Because here A is the subset of U. A is the subset of U. So that's why we can union ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get U only. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. If A is a subset of B, if A is subset of B, then A union B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ this set only. Okay, you again A is subset of U, so A union U is U. Clear? So note down these properties we use in solving the examples. Okay. Next one, second one. Next one, second one, intersection of sets. So already we say that operations on sets only, union of sets noted already. Next one, second one, intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set. Intersection of A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. Intersection of two sets A and B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ elements ಇರ್ತವೆ? Those elements which belong to both A and B. Okay, ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ elements ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು intersection ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So intersection of two sets is denoted by A intersection B. So this is the symbol. This is the symbol to use to represent intersection A intersection B. Okay, symbolically we write this definition as A intersection B. So this is a symbol for intersection. Intersection. It containing elements X such that X belongs to A as well as X belongs to B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ elements ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the common elements belongs to both A and B. Okay. So Venn diagram for A intersection B. Venn diagram ಏನು? So this is the reason of A intersection B. Then common elements ನಾವೇನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು common elements ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So this reason is common to both set A and set B. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ set A ನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ set B ನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು common elements ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So this is the reason of A intersection B. A intersection B is the reason. Shared reason. Clear? So this is the diagram for A intersection B. Next one example on that. Let A equal to A E I O U and B equal to A B C D E. Find A intersection B anta. Find A intersection B. Solution A intersection B. So set A first again A E I O U. So operation is intersection. Set B node in there. A, B, C, D, E. Now, A intersection B equal to. So, what is A intersection B? This is set contains all those elements which belong to both A and B, means common to A and B. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಎ, ಎ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇ ಇದೆ. ಇ ಐ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓ ಯು ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ A intersection B. A intersection B clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? So what is A and B? A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ elements ಬರ್ತದೆ? That set contains all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ A intersection B ನಲ್ಲಿ we write only the common elements belongs to both A and B. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay? So Venn diagram of this one is, so this is inverse set, set A, set B. First we have to write the common elements. Common elements are A and E. Then write the elements of A. A, E between A remaining elements set B A nalli I, O, U. So what are the remaining elements in set B? A already there, E there, B, C, D. So this is the reason. So A intersection again, draw pattern A is in shade pattern. So this is our A intersection B. Is it clear? Note down. Next one, some properties of operation of intersection. Okay, we'll see some properties on intersection. First one, commutative law. A intersection B equals to B intersection A. So take any two sets A and B. Check this property. A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Check matter. Okay. Next one, associative law. Bracket of A intersection B intersection C equals to A intersection bracket of B intersection C. So examples ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, A intersection bracket of B intersection C. Okay. Next one, third one, law of empty set. Law of empty set ಏನು? A intersection null set equal to null set. For example, set A equal to 1, 2, 3 then null set. A intersection null set ಅಂದ್ರೆ null set means it contains no elements. Intersection definition. This is the set of all those elements belongs to A and B. Illu irbeku element allu irbeku, but illu element yav element illilla. So that's why. So this set is null set. Intersection of A and null set is null set only. Next one, fourth one, idempotent law. A intersection A is always A only. Because A and A have the same elements, so A intersection A. So A intersection A is the set of all those elements belongs to set A and set B. So away elements are there. Okay, A intersection A is A1. Next, law of inverse. Law of inverse is U intersection A equal to A. U intersection A equal to A. For example, U equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 and then then what is A intersection U? Check my note. A elements 1, 2, 3 U ನಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 ಇದೆ. So what is intersection? Intersection ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Only we will write the common elements belongs to A and U. ಎರಡು common element ಏನು? 1, 2, 3 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So 1, 2, 3 means ಮತ್ತೆ A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's why A intersection A is A1. Fifth one, distributive law. Distributive law. A intersection bracket of B union C. intersection union ಇದೆ. Distributive property ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿ, A intersection bracket of B union C is also equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. Here are the property A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, not all these properties. Next, disjoint sets. See the definition. If A and B are two sets such that A intersection B equal to null set, A intersection B equal to null set, then A and B are called disjoint sets. Now A and B are disjoint sets right? No common elements for A and B. So two common elements irilla antandre adike now A and B enantivo disjoint sets anta helidhu. Means A intersection B equal to null set, that means empty set agಬೇಕು. Okay, so Venn diagram for disjoint sets. So this is the inverse set. So inverse set again A and B are the subsets. Nodi common elements alla. So ಈ set A different ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, set B ನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ A intersection B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ null set. So this is the Venn diagram for disjoint sets. Okay, we'll see one example of this. Let A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B and nodi solution. A intersection B equal to set A nodi 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection. Operation is intersection. Set B in the 1, 3, 5, 7. So what is intersection? Intersection is ಏನು? ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. A intersection B equals to ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2 ನು ಇಲ್ಲ, 4 ಇಲ್ಲ, 6 ಇದೆ, 8 ನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ null set. No common elements for A and B. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ null set. So then only we call A and B are disjoint sets. You know, A and B will be disjoint sets. This is U, this is A, this is B. So set A nalli 2, 4, 6, 8 ಇದೆ. So 1, 3, 5, 7. Set B nalli no common elements. So here A intersection B equal to 1 null set. Is it clear? No doubt. Next one, difference of sets. Difference of sets. The difference of the sets A and B. Difference of the sets A and B in this order means A minus B multiplied. So A minus B. Difference of two sets is also a set. Is the set of all elements which belong to set A. It belongs to set A, but not to set B and the means symbolically we write difference of two sets here. We write A minus B equals to, so A minus B are the elements which are only belongs to set A but not to B. So if continuing around X such that X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. A minus B, difference of A and B. A minus B and we will read it as A minus B. So A minus B are elements only belongs to set A but not to B. So this is the definition. Similarly, B minus A B minus A the elements only belongs to set B and not belongs to set A. Clear? So you see the Venn diagram for A minus B. A minus B Venn diagram. So this is the reason. E reason ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಈ reason ಏನು? Common to both A and B. But ನಮ್ಮ definition ಏನಿದೆ? Elements only belongs to A and not belongs to B. ಈ reason ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ elements B belongs to B ನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why we consider this area only. Okay, so this is A minus B. And Venn diagram for B minus A is this one. This area only. So this is the reason for B minus A. Purely belongs to A. Elements purely belongs to B. Okay. Here is the problem. Okay. Note down. Next example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. Solution. A minus B. First write down set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Operation is minus. Write down set B. This equals to. So write down the elements which are purely belongs to set A. Set A is the elements. Cancel the common terms. Common terms are 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. And write down the elements only belongs to set A. So only belongs to set A are 1, 3, 5. So these are the elements of A minus B. But the E element this element belongs to set B. Okay, but write only the pure elements belongs to set A. So Venn diagram में देख पड़ता है set A, set B. First we will write the common elements. What are the common elements? 2, 4, 6. Remaining elements for set A is 2, 4, 6 are given. Remaining 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Remaining elements of set B 2, 4, 6 are given. Then A. Then A minus B and right. This reason. This is A minus B. Clear? The only elements belongs to set A, but not belongs to set B. 2, 4, 6 is common. These elements also belongs to set B. Next here, B minus A. B minus A. First write down set B. 2, 4, 6, 8 minus set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cancel out the common terms. B minus A equal to 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. Write the element belongs to set A. This set element is this set is A. Now we have to B minus A. The only elements belongs to set B. A only. Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram for B minus A. Okay, not done.